The secret to shiny tile floors without harsh chemicals. Dear friends, ever wonder how to make your tile floors shine without using strong chemical cleaners? The secret is surprisingly simple. Use gentle cleaning methods and avoid leaving residue behind. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor thoroughly. Dust and grit can act like sandpaper, creating tiny scratches and making tiles look dull over time. Next, mix warm water with a small amount of mild dish soap. You don't need lots of detergent. Too much soap can leave a sticky film that actually makes your floor look cloudy. Mop the tiles with the solution, then follow with a second pass using clean water. This rinsing step is one of the biggest secrets to a naturally brighter finish. For stubborn spots, use a soft microfiber cloth instead of abrasive scrubbers. Microfiber lifts dirt effectively without damaging the tile surface. Want extra shine? Dry the floor with a clean microfiber mop or towel. Air drying can leave watermarks, especially on dark or glossy tiles. For grout, use a soft brush with baking soda and water to gently loosen dirt. Avoid harsh acids or abrasive powders, particularly on natural stone. And remember, shiny doesn't mean coated. Skip wax and oily products unless your specific flooring manufacturer recommends them. With regular sweeping, gentle cleaning, proper rinsing, and microfiber drying, your tile floors can look fresh, clean, and naturally glossy, without harsh chemicals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.